I used to spend money without thinking. And today I'll be walking you through 10 things that I completely stopped buying. And this has helped me save more and I'm less stressed. And I'm going to show you what I've been doing instead. And honestly, this has changed my finances in a way that I didn't even expect. So let's get into it. Let me start with the first thing that I stopped buying, and I don't even feel guilty about it. Seasonal decor for every single holiday and all those organizing bins. I have one Christmas tree that lives in a box for 11 straight months. I take it out in December, I put it back in January. The second thing that I stopped buying is brand name cleaning products and brand name groceries. This one I'm going to be quick because the math is just too simple. You are not paying for a better product. You are paying a commercial that you just saw on TV. That's it. Another thing I stopped spending on is designer labels and fast fashion. I'm not falling in the same trap of just buying all these things. It's just different price tag. I'm putting these two together because at the end of the day, they are just doing the same thing to your wallet. And the most of it ends up unworn in your drawer somewhere. A good outfit is a good outfit. You do not need a new outfit because the season changed. The fourth thing is pre-cut fruits and veggies and a whole convenience tax. This is the extra money that you pay every time you choose the easier version of doing something. And it's everywhere. And once you start seeing it, you're gonna cut on this. I just saw this recently when I visited a store and I genuinely had a moment right there. And I asked myself, this is the same watermelon or just the same pre-cut fruits? Someone just cut for me and I'm paying double the price? So I was shocked. Same thing with the food delivery because it's just never the food price itself. It's always the delivery fee, the service fee, or even the tip that is up there. And sometimes they do put the surge pricing if it's in extreme winter and sometimes in extreme summer. The other thing that I stopped buying is the latest phone and every new tech release every year. And this applies to laptops, either tablets, earbuds, all that. I only upgrade devices when they need replacing, not when the company tells me to do so. Another thing that I stopped buying is the physical books because they keep piling everywhere. I love buying books and I love the idea of even reading them. Actually sitting down and finishing them, that's where it gets so complicated. Another thing that I stopped doing is overpaying for my car insurance. I need you to actually do something after this point. Not think about it, but just do it. I was with the same insurance company for years. I never questioned it. I just got a bill, paid it, and moved on. That is what most people do because switching feels very complicated and nobody really tells you that you just need to stop and shop for a good car insurance. Another thing that I'm not gonna buy is sales items that were never on my list. Sometimes this appears to be a sneaky one and it appears like you're doing smart shopping, but it's not always the case. Here's the truth about sales. They never actually end. They rotate year in, year out. They come back and forth. The agency is always manufactured to you to act very fast. Another thing that I stopped buying is extended warranties on electronics. Last time I bought a laptop, someone offered me a warranty on checkout and for sure I didn't buy it. I had to say no. Another thing that I stopped buying is subscriptions. Most of these subscriptions, not all of them, I do have subscriptions, but some of these subscriptions, the ones that I feel like I'm gonna forget about them, I just keep them. None of these 10 things that I stopped doing comes in cheaper. It's about saving a few dollars that you can and saving them intentionally.